Hey, what's up, guys? Today is sunny. I'm trying to find some place a little bit more nature than the city, but we will be going through a little bit of the city. We could have turned there, actually. Hello, ma'am. Oh, shh. I thought that was gravel for a second. Nice. Oh, nice. Really nice. Looks like a abandoned car dealer, but it's not. It's a video game testing place. They test video games there, amongst other things. Chico, Denimo. That means it's a picture. Dogo! I want to go right side. Can I pet him? If it wasn't COVID, I'd probably ask. But with COVID, people are like, fuck off! What do you want? My lid is fogging up. There you go. My lid is pretty tight, so sometimes it's hard to open, you know? When it's too tight, you have to kind of apply some force. I meant... That's not what I meant. Oh, it's green. Let's go. Gotta go fast. What kind of place is that? Oh, that looks actually like a nice place. Maybe we should go there. Oh my god. Guys, there's a pedal on the right side with your right foot, and you might want to press on it just like a little bit. Not much. But yeah, press on the pedal. Press it. 70. We're going 55. Hello? My goodness. So yeah, this road that we're on is probably one of the longest road, I think. I don't want to say in Quebec because I have no idea, but I know it's a very long road that goes across like a lot of different cities. It's like the main road that's not a highway type of thing. Hey, salut. Comment ça va? Oh shit, those are cops. We are behaving citizens. Yes, we are, chat. Oh. Oh no, troublemaker kids. Those are the worst. I have no idea if they're troublemakers, but they look troublemakers. I don't know why. My nose is itchy as fuck right now. I have a big problem. Yeah, I knew I didn't have time to fucking lower my lid, scratch my nose. It's even worse. Help me, guys. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. I feel like there's a feather scratching it, but this is a good spot though. If my lid wants to open. Oh fucking hell, man. Oh, that felt good. Oh yeah, really good. Whew. I feel like a free man. Hey, there's a place to do ice skating. Am I in a lane that's not supposed to go forward? I don't know this place. I've been here before, but can't say that I remember. Oh, that's why. Please don't cut me off. Please don't cut me off. Please don't cut me off. Thank you. Well, we're gonna use this time to scratch my nose again. It's itchy. Oh my goodness. Fuck is that? Excite Bike 2.0. This thing right there is supposed to be a school. This shit looks like a prison to me. But it's supposed to be like a school for troublemakers or something like that. I'm not sure actually. Wow. 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 This cracks me up. Wait, I think I know where I am. No, please, no, please, no, please, no, please. Thank you. This was not there like last year, because this is where I took my driving lessons, in this courtyard school place.